Hey babes, what's up? It's Val here. So for today's video, I thought I'd show you guys 5 of my super cute and super easy gym hairstyles. I mean, you can totally wear these out as well. I personally wear them to the gym the most. I would seriously just love it and love you if you would give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. While you're down there, I would seriously love it if you would hit that subscribe button down below. You'll be notified every time I upload a video, which is every Sunday and Wednesday for next month. But yeah, so if you want to see what I do, then just keep on watching. So the first style is my double French braids, and the first thing we're going to be doing is section off one half of the hair away from the other, just so we don't get any of that hair into it. So it's a French braid. We're going to be taking 3 sections, and I just personally like going under more than over. It looks prettier, and also too, it's easier, at least for me, but you can definitely go over if you want. And so we're going to be eyeing hair to the outer sections, and then just gonna clip it off at the end, you know, with an elastic. And I personally like to pull it apart as well. I find it looks a whole lot prettier, and also too, my hair at the ends is very thin. I do really need to get a haircut though. But yeah, so I'm just gonna pull it apart a little bit, not too much, just a little bit to, like, you know, make the appearance of thicker hair. And I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other side. So 3 sections going under and eyeing hair to the outer sections. And there we go. So the next style is now a ponytail with a little something something at the band. So to start this ponytail look, we're gonna put it in a ponytail. And I like just using my hands for this, especially when I'm just going to the gym. Like, no one important is gonna see me. So I'm just gonna put it high up on the head, secure it with a really good elastic because I'm gonna be doing cardio. Your girl's hair is gonna go everywhere. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that. And then after that, I'm going to take a piece of hair from within the ponytail and just braid it like normal, nothing fancy here. And then just going to secure it with an elastic. And I'm going to pull it apart just a little bit, just because I use one of the good bands. They're kind of thick, so I just want to make sure I covered it. And I'm just going to pull it around the band, and I'm going to bobby pin in place on my head. I find it slips out whenever I do cardio, so that's why it's going on my head, not within the ponytail. I know it looks a little bit weird, but I'm going to the gym, so there we go. And the next style is this high braid pony, and yes, it's inspired by Ariana. But anyways, so we're just gonna start by putting her hair in a ponytail. I like to move my head over whenever I do this one. And after we tie in the band and everything, I like to take down my baby hairs just to get them out of the way. They fall down anyways whenever I work out, so I'm just gonna do that. And then I just braid it normal, nothing fancy, nothing crazy. And then I'm gonna pull it apart as per usual. It's a thing I do all the time. I know it's repetitive, but it makes it super cute, so that's it. And so for the next hairstyle, it's going to be this knotted bun. And so for this one, you're going to put your hair in a ponytail as per usual. And then after you put in a ponytail, you're going to want to take 2 sections. And depending on your length, you can only do 1 knot or maybe 2. So yeah, we're going to be knotting it. So the 2 sections, cross one over the other as if you're going to start to tie your shoes, and then put one through the loop. And like I said too, depending on the length, you can only probably do this only once, maybe not even, or do it twice like I am if you have long hair like I do. I used to do this all the time with my short hair, and I can only do it once, but it still looked as cute as it does now. So I'm just going to do it twice, and then I'm going to take my ends and play around with them for a little bit and just figure it out. Usually takes me about a minute just to figure it out, and then I'm just going to take it down with a clear little elastic, and no bobby pins are needed. And so the next look is going to be this French braid. So for the French braid, I like to start it where my hair has the natural receding line. And so just section off into 3 sections, and then just start eyeing hair to the outer sections, bring it in, and just braid on down. It's a classic, I love it, but it's honestly so simple and still really cute. So yeah, that's the final look. So that's my 5 super cute and super easy gym hairstyles. If you want to see more like this, maybe just like, you know, all braid version or like a full ponytail one, just like, you know, the different things you can do, let me know down below in the comment section. I've been thinking about doing that. But that's pretty much it for today. I mean, I would seriously love it if you would hit that subscribe button down below. You would be notified every time I upload a video, which again will be upping to Sundays and Wednesdays next month. So if you want to stick around for that, that will do that for you. But that's all for today. I love and appreciate you all so much, and I will see you babes later in another video.